Welcome everybody to Scale Your Amazon Business, your Seller 365 podcast. I'm Andrea. Today I'm joined by Monica, Layla, and Honor, and we're going to be going over how to get more out of the tools inside of Seller 365. Today we're going to be focusing on automation features across tactical arbitrage, SmartRepricer, ScoutIQ, and InventoryLab, and these are real ways to actually save time, and you can actually stay competitive and grow sustainably while following these tips. Just a friendly reminder, though, we are not sellers. We're here on the Three Colts team, and we work alongside you to get the most out of these tools. So we do know how to use them. We're going to teach you guys how to use them, and we're going to teach you how to automate your business and make it faster. So let's get started with talking about a little bit about tactical arbitrage. So how are some ways that you can automate your sourcing? Like what are some features of tactical arbitrage that people may not know about or they use, to scale their business?
So the first one I can think of is using the save it and the auto run features. Let's say you have a search that you're running every week. So every Tuesday, you go there, select the same search that you want to run, and then you have to wait until the results. It's a manual process. In TA, you can cut this time like a lot. You can basically save the search that you want to run every week as the example, and then you set up these on the auto run. So every Tuesday, the search will run, and you can set the time frame. If it's for 2 months, if it's for 1 year, if it's 3 months, it's up to you. You decide. The power is yours. So you go ahead. And you can even select the option to get notifications for when the search is completed. That way, you don't even need to worry with opening TA to see if the search is completed. Once you get the email or the SMS notification, you're going to be like, oh yeah, let's take a look at the results now. So
I
it
mean,
saves
it
a
can
lot of
even
time.
so it can even text you when they're done. Like not like, oh wow, that's so cool.
That's really
Yeah, you
cool.
can enable this in the settings and you add your phone number and that's it. And if you're talking about emails, multiple people can receive the email. So it's also good if you're working with someone else.
That's so cool that you can just like I don't know, that like takes so much time out of, sourcing and having to be like set it up every single time. Whereas like this way you can just automatically do it, right? So that
Yes.
saves so much freaking time. Like I can't imagine that.
Yeah, I agree, especially those small tasks that are, oh my God, I need to do this again and again. You don't need to. Don't worry.
And
And
once you have it set up, it's like you're probably running similar searches every week. So why do the manual work? It just makes sense.
exactly. And even if you save a filter up a search, my apologies, you can go to the Save a tab and adjust the filters accordingly. So if you want to change anything on the search, you can do it without the need to, okay, let me set up a new search from scratch. You can just edit the one that you currently have saved.
Oh
Nice.
wow.
Yeah. And when it comes to this automations, there's another one in TA that allows you to track products. So let's say in one of these in this automatic searches that you've been running, you run the search weekly, and for 3 weeks, the same product that you were interested on buying is out of stock. You can save this product and use the another automation that is called auto updates and set up a specific notification for when this product is back in stock in the website.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
and set up between 1 and 4 times per day for the folder where this product is located to be updated. And once the event happens, you will receive a notification again via email or SMS. And you're going to know exactly what product we're talking about. So it's quite cool as well. So it saves a lot of time. And not only that, but it allows you to avoid, oh, let me check the website to see if the product is back in stock. And
Yeah.
there are other parameters as well, like ROI, estimated monthly sales, Amazon stock information. You can track all of that. So
Whoa, you can
Another
do it. You
thing
can
that
like
saves.
see how many average Amazon sales are like occurred with that product and set it up in your search.
Oh yeah, there's a filter that shows you like the estimated monthly sales for an item, and if your goal is 30 units, let's say it's a product that you already have in your account in your Seller Central, and it's not listed at the moment, but you do have in stock.
Mhm.
You
Hmm.
want to receive a notification for when the sales comes from 20 and they go to 30, 35. It's a season product.
Mm-hmm.
You can receive a notification when this number changes, and then you go ahead and list all of your products again.
Oh, that's
Oh,
so
So
cool.
nice.
yeah, this is one way of using this automation doing TA, because when the number goes up, list them again. And I think that this is quite aligned with the whole purpose of Seller 365, which is using our products in a bundle to make your life easier.